Ludicrous. Yeah, they're ludicrous.
No, they well, no, we have one.
No, it's more like ludicrous movie.
V-Tech, Team Honda, gang, gang, gang.
That's why Honda makes the slowest cars.
Why you gotta hate? Don't hate the V-Tech.
I'm gonna tell you right now, they finally made one.
I'm just missing all this
I'm trying to
vlog
ease
footage.
this way back into pushing it, not, you know, slap in and start freaking going to Mexico on people.
I'm just here.
Oh, I got an A4 over there.
Just do it for Dale.
Nah, fuck that shit.
I don't do it for Dale.
I don't do it for nobody.
No,
I
it's
got
for
money.
Dale.
That is
Not
not
with a Ford.
No.
He said that's why Uber.
No.
Dale never drove a Ford.
You just get them there quicker.
Yeah, I already put a bigger turbo on it.
If you don't have a headache, I hate all of you.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Look, you're missing vlog footage. Help.
I'm still hungry.
Hello. Ah! You fucking penis.
I know, I have one.
You dickless.
I should give everybody a headache and start my car again.
Vlog him. Vlogging shit. I don't know if he was. See what he did to me?
I'll go for it.
Come. What the fuck?
You just want everybody to hear you.
I want to get behind it, but I got a headache.
I have a bigger one here.
He's mean. This one. See? See, as soon as I said it, like he does
To your
it.
followers, to your subscribers. Look,
Hey.
look. Got him.
So, oh no. Close your ears. That's all I got to fucking say. What? He toned it down.
Loud.
You heard him before. He toned it down, man. He was louder than that.
I couldn't hear it!
He's like, cool. Yo, remember that cop came to him was like, can you turn it down? Is that Austin?
Is he racist, right?
Oh, fuck no. Goddamn Mustang. I'm running. No. Oh, it's not loud. Okay. Oh. Do it. That is him. I knew. Bruh. He's trying to tell me that wasn't you. What's up? You going? You're going?
No, I'm not running. I'm following behind.
Oh, don't leave! Come back! Come here! What the fuck?
See that, TR?
Huh?
That's the rule of thumb. It's easier to talk shit when your car's in the garage.
You just bad. What the fuck? Oh, I was about to say, I thought you were in the car.
God damn, someone do a fucking burnout?
You fucking dicklicks. I'm just here. Just ignore me.
Oh, he's gonna do a burnout.
Who? I don't think so.
Sure?
No.
Man, there ain't no good cars in here.
Hey. Cause no Hondas in here. Like what the
That's why.
what
That's why.
CCC. I'm just here. Just vlogging.
Wait! BMW fuck the world!
What the fuck?
Ready? 3,
shit is nice.
I can't see shit. You're not cool. Just go. I want to race.
What the fuck? Is this serious shit? What the fuck? I know this guy.
Tire smoke.
What the fuck just happened again?
Someone being a head ass.
I know the shop people were having like a contest. What the fuck? Motherfuckers are crazy. I'm just here. Niggas, what the fuck? Oh look, it's fucking student driver. This shit's bad as hell. I love you, man. I know. Oh, that's Casey's crazy ass. It's all about the super. But I'm not doing that. God damn it. That's your ass. Why are you causing all this damn commotion? Goddamn noise. My battery's dead. Someone ran out in front of him. Like, what the fuck?
Hold up. I got more people in the car.
I'm just
Everybody stay back. Stay back. Run. Run.
What just happened?
Everybody move to the car.
I want to race. You know my car's slow.
Right? I feel you, bro.
Mine's loud, but just slow.
Yeah, at least you got something done. I can't get shit done. Oh, it's K-Dog? I think K-Dog's about to do some shit.
We'll let people go by.
fuck? That's the same dude from earlier too. Where the fuck did Jesse go?
Oh yeah, that's my man.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.